guys, today I'm going to do like my fidgets, like the newest ones I have to the oldest ones I have, depending on like when I traded them or like when I bought them. So yeah, but also, I did lose a bunny mochi, but I also do not know where I would put that in this video. So it's also kind of like a fidget haul. I also have not done a fidget haul yet. No, I mean like I've done them before, but I haven't done them for a while. Do I sound tired? I was asleep before. But yeah. Let's we're gonna go to my room because that's where every single one of my fidgets are. Like usually, I usually keep them in a little basket, and yeah. Some of them are either things I call fidgets or DIYs. But yeah, some of them I don't really know where I'm gonna put them, so they'll just be kind of whack. So yeah, I'm gonna scoot this over as well as that. Set this right here and get my newest fidget. So it's this light up ball. I got it from my brother. He just let me have it basically. It lights up and you can squish it. Oh, and I also need to see something. I'm gonna be back in just a second. You ready? I have nothing on my fingers, right? Alright. Now I have the light up ring on my fingers. Last night we turned it on and it just never stopped. But yeah, it's kind of fun to squish. I just got a bubble. I like trying to get bubbles. There's a bubble that'll come out every once in a while. Look, ready? It's popping out. Oh wait, where'd the bubble go? Oh, I got it. It's right there. Okay, so whatever. Put that in my fidget basket. But yeah, we got this little stress ball thing that you could also do this with it, and that's fun too. Let's move on to my next fidget. It's that one. And the next one is this really cute mochi I also got from my brother last night. He also gave this one to me. I don't know why, but mochi's heads are just so tempting to squish, but then I don't want to squish them so their cute little faces don't come off. But yeah, I love this mochi. I like to take mochis, like place them on like a surface and then just kind of squish them. So yeah, and then they kind of stick a little bit. But yeah, mochis are very fun to squish. If you don't know why I'm calling it a mochi and you think it's just called a gel squishy, basically mochis are just little gel squishies. Yeah, that's all they are. They're just like gel squishies. I think there's a kit that you can get a mochis in, and then you can like color on them. I don't know. So let's what would be the next fidget? Oh, I know. It is this poppet. You're gonna be seeing a lot of these. But yeah, I got this from fidget trading with my puppy. It's really, really good. Listen to this. Okay, but yeah, I like this poppet. It's an Among Us poppet, and it's super fun to pop. It's actually the best Among Us poppet Nash got, in my opinion. Cause mine was just like, it was like kind of weird. Like it didn't have a very good bad side at all, but this one's good side. Bad side actually makes noise at all. So yeah, let's move on to the next. Oh, and I'm sorry, I made that creepy face. Kind of creepy. And yes, my brother did give me his other Among Us puppet. Do you want me to tell you a secret? I didn't trade in any puppets. But yeah, this is like actually probably better than the other one, because that's the bad side. Yeah, this one's actually better. It's easier to pop the good side, and it also does have like this is the bad side, if you can hear it. This is the bad side. And then this is the good side. Yeah. And then what would be the next one? Let me pause it. This broken infinity cube, I think it's kind of like a tangle, just not in a circle. But yeah, it's fun to like make things with, and it's fun to like move around and stuff. So I say, oh, a snake. It'd be like a snake too, yeah. It could be like a snake or whatever you'd like it to be like. I do actually like it, and like, in my opinion, it's kind of good. I mean, like, look what I just made. It's like a little thing to put stuff in. Super cool. I also got this from trading with my brother. What'll be next? Okay, it's just gonna start turning into a video haul because I don't know what'll be next. Let's go to the next one. Pop it. Pretty good. This one is a random one. I know it's definitely not in this place. So yeah. But pretty good. Let's go next. I'm just like, but yeah. Another square puppet. It likes to pop itself down on its own, or up, sorry. But yeah, it's pretty good too. So yeah, let's go to the next puppet. Actually, I might go to a dimple. Actually, we'll just go to the next puppet. So, this is, oh, it's on the good side. It's on the good side. I'm gonna pop the good side the way that I usually would. Ready? Shh. Be quiet. This is the bad side. Still be quiet. There. Next puppet. And just so you know, you can talk now. And again. Next puppet. Sorry I did a little gap between what I said. I just kind of had to. I just didn't want to say it yet. I wanted to wait to say it when this got here. But yeah, listen. This is another one of my best. Okay, now I'm just going to pop this aside the way I usually would. Boom! That's the next puppet. We're moving on to Here's my first dimple. This is my only real dimple that's not DIY. DIY, I said B. I don't know. I said it in a weird way, and I don't know how to say it again. But yeah, this is just my dimple. Let's go to the next one. So, this is a not very good, but okay avocado dimple that I made. I mean, it just pops up by itself. So still kind of fun. But yeah, just another dimple. Whoop! Let me just pick that back up. Got it. Just kidding. It's the next dimple. This is the last, like, Pop-It related thing that I have. I have 9, like, Pop-It related things, I think. Somewhere around 9 or 10, you know. Yeah, black dimple. So, yeah. We're moving on to, I guess, one last thing. Whoopsie, dropped it. Let me just pick it back up. Okay, so we got the next fidget. I don't know why, but like the fidgets that I dropped, they go through a portal, and that portal leads right back to the basket, and then the portal goes up to my mind, reads my mind, or basically just reads my mind, and then drops up the next fidget within seconds, within like 1 second or so. I don't know. It's weird. But yeah, this is my infinity cube that is not broken. The other one was obviously in ashes, as you probably know by now. But yeah, this is my non-broken infinity cube. My brother also shattered his tablet, so you probably won't be seeing any of his videos for a long time on his channel. So if you liked his channel, just come watch mine for a while. I may let him post like a video on my channel, but his videos are very embarrassing. I might do like a challenge with him or something. It's about as good as you're gonna get for a while. But yeah, my infinity cube. I'm just gonna put that to here. Seriously. Well, at least I get it brought to me. My globbles, well, basically globbies, whatever you want to call them. They don't stick together though, but I'm gonna make it so that they will in a little bit. But yeah, I do kind of like going like this with them. Well, the other one just popped. I can make another one though. Bye, red balloon. We only have a pink one. At least the pink one didn't pop. Next one. Oops, we gotta re-throw it up. It didn't work. It's not working. Okay, this time. I was about to say, okay, this time nothing's coming down. But a slap bracelet did. I traded my other one. Oh wait, gotta take a scrunchie off to do this. It's not working. I'm trying to throw it onto my wrist, but it's not working. But yeah, this is also fun to do. Yeah, we're gonna try and throw it onto our wrist, and when we get it, I'm gonna have it on camera at least. Got it. Super cute. I might actually wear it for the rest of the video. Let's just put my wrist there. We still have our slap it bracelet friend, but now we also have this friend. It's like a little, hold on. It's a hand sanitizer bottle with hand sanitizer that didn't work out. My mom tried to make hand sanitizer, but it just ended up kind of being like slime. So yeah, I said, can I have it for a fidget? Yeah, sure. She would have just fixed it, but hi. Whatever, I'm gonna show the rest of my fidgets. I think that's about it. There's it's like a slingshot thing that my brother got from his friend, and this is something. And then, I think there's that, and then there is more, but I'm not gonna show it. And then, it's me, Daphne. Forgot to say that in the intro, I'm pretty sure. But whatever, bye guys!